Welcome to Surami Vlog at welcome to Davison Orchards, Counrtry! At ngayon tayo magpo-farm tour!
Woohoo! Let's go!
Bibili kami ng pie. Titikman po natin. Maricar pie. Delivery ng Maricar.
Oh, yeah, and you need to. Thank you. And I would.
Oo, kahit ano. Ano? Wow. Ano? Yung iba, basta iba. Yung hindi ka mukha sa inyo para makatikim tayo ng...
Walnut.
Parang masarap
Ano?
walnut caramel. Ano yan? Walnut caramel.
And one walnut caramel. Okay. Kasi ma-practice.
Kasi...
Alex.
Si
Ako na si Alex Gonzaga.
Hindi na.
Ay, ikaw ba
Si Christine Hermosa ka. Kamukha mo si Christine Hermosa.
Si Alex kasi mas
Madaldal eh.
madaldal eh.
Okay,
O sige, ako
mag-
na lang si Melay.
Hindi, Christine
Si
Hermosa.
Tony.
Christine Hermosa, kamukha niya.
Tangino na.
Paano ba
So, yun yung makikita mo sa loob ng mga stores dito. Mga souvenirs. Then, may mga free taste like apples, juice. So, yun. Guys, ang daming kalabasa. And 3, 2, 1.
On camera.
You can smile. There we are. Hey, there we are. So, libutin na natin ang buong orchard, yung farm. So, marami ditong mga activities na ginagawa. So, susubukan natin lahat yun. So, free admission dito, walang anumang bayad. So, enjoy natin. apple. Totoong apple. Ito yata yung kinain ni Eva.
Itanim sa bahay.
Hi there, I'm with
Jenna,
Dayton, and their baby.
Braylon.
So I'm gonna ask them what's like to be in Canada during fall season.
It's the best season. It's super. It's almost getting cold before the snow. What do we do? We carve pumpkins.
Yeah,
Pumpkins, yeah. We don't
Yeah.
have that in the
We have
Philippines.
pumpkin pie.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's pie time. It's pie season.
Yeah.
So before winter, you have like fall season. So
Yeah. All the leaves fall off the trees. They turn like red and crisp.
It's the colors that bring it out.
Yeah, I know.
Colors.
A lot of colors. Thank you very much. Yeah. Have a nice day. Hi, I'm with
I'm Eva.
Eva, Danny, and yeah, they're from Taiwan, but they're here for vacation or holidays. Yeah. So what is like experiencing fall here in Canada compared to Taiwan?
Compared to Taiwan, Canada is very cold because we are a tropical island. So
Oh, I see.
actually, we don't have like this cold in Taiwan.
Yeah, now it's like 7 degrees Celsius. Yeah, have you checked that? Yeah, now, yeah.
Taiwan winter.
Winter.
That is winter already? Wow. So yeah, so that's it. So are you having your vacation right here for how many days or months now?
2
2
weeks.
2 weeks,
Yeah.
and you will go back to Taiwan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yun po, by the way, I'm from the Philippines, so yeah, we're just almost neighbor. So thank you for participating to my vlog. Have a nice day. Enjoy! Papunta tayo ngayon sa Pumpkin Castle. Pumpkin Castle. Castle made up of pumpkins. So, kung pumpkin siya. So, ngayon, nasa loob tayo ng Pumpkin Castle. For today's vlog. Thank you for watching at yan na po ang tour natin dito sa Davison Orchard Counrtry Village. At sana sa inyo, don't forget to like and subscribe to Rafi Vlogs for more videos. Bye bye!